Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture to your Trello account. Now as you can see here guys, I'm in Trello, and if you look towards the upper right hand side you can see my profile, but it just have a letter D. Now how do you add a profile picture here? Simply click your profile or your account on the uppermost right hand side, then click and manage account. Now it will open up Atlassian account here on the right hand side, and as you can see it opens up the new tab and I'm writing Atlassian. Now it says profile and visibility. Now if you hover over the D, you can simply click on that and it will give you the option to add your profile photo or even create an initial avatar. Now I'm going to simply choose add a profile photo. Now here you want to go ahead and upload a photo. So you can simply drag and drop an image here or simply click upload a photo. It's going to open up your file library here or your library here. And let me go ahead and take, for example, this image here and go ahead and click on open. And as you can see, it adds the image and I can move the image around wherever I want. So let's say that I'm good with that. Then click on upload and you will see in a moment here that the picture will be added in Trello. And that's it. So right here, I've added my own picture in Trello. Now, if I close this window here and go back to my Trello account and refresh, you will see that my profile picture is now there. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add a profile picture to your Trello account. Very easy and very simple.